For this project, we decided to use the cloud-based solution Azure created by Microsoft. We will explain the installation of our project and any maintenance needed for the future. First, we make a Microsoft Azure account. FIU students should have access to their own Azure account with Office 365. Simply log in using your credentials. As a student, you get a noticeable amount of credit to start off with. If you are not a student, you can simply use a standard Microsoft account. From that point, you will have to make your own Azure subscription. You can try Azure for free for 30 days, so make sure to take advantage of this. Once logged in, we need to create a resource group. This will be the container that holds all related sources of your project, such as the virtual machine, log analytics, etc. Then, we will create a virtual machine. For this project, we used Windows 10. Make sure to pay attention to the monthly cost. Once it is booted, use remote desktop connection to log in. You can test that you are receiving logs through there with Event Viewer. We want to focus on event ID 4625, which is the failed login event. Afterwards, create a virtual network and make it as open as possible. The intention is to create a honeypot to allow anyone to potentially interact with the machine. Next, we are going to create a Logs Analytics workspace. Once created, create an instance of Sentinel and connect it to our workspace. From Sentinel, navigate to Content Hub and Windows Security Events. Install it, then hit Manage when done. Once there, install Windows Security Events via AMA. Next, we create a watch list using an imported spreadsheet containing a vast number of IP addresses associated with a geographic location, containing latitude and longitude as well. Once created, we can observe the logs using KQL and see where the events are coming from. Finally, in Sentinel, create a new workbook. From there, click Edit and delete the existing elements shown in the workbook and replace it using the Query tab and paste in the JSON script with the map. Good job! You are now ready to collect logs and see the location of these failed login attempts from your very own attack map. The longer the VM is up, the more logs get collected. Therefore, the more your attack map begins to grow. Make sure to keep track of changes and pricing throughout your time when running this VM. You can check billing and spending trends on Azure in the billing section.